Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a cushion, on the floor, on a chair, wherever you can find stillness for 10 minutes. You can lie down if you prefer. Whatever position you choose, make sure your spine is straight and you feel comfortable. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension in your body. Again, inhaling through your nose and exhale nice and slow through your mouth. Feel the tension floating from your body. Inhale through your nose, noticing the expansion of your lungs and chest. Exhale nice and slowly through your mouth. Now close your mouth and breathe at your own pace through your nose. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Feel your chest and belly rise with each inhale and gently fall with each exhale. Simply observing your breath without trying to change it in any way. If you find that your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. As you continue to focus on your breath, notice any thoughts, emotions, or sensations that arise. Don't try to stop thinking or push your thoughts away. Try not to analyse your thoughts. Simply observe and then bring your attention back to your breath. Now, take your attention to your toes. In your mind's eye, picture all of your toes. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort, or just how they feel. Move your attention up through your legs, knees and thighs, moving up through your hips, your back, your stomach and chest, up through your shoulders, your arms, hands, up through your neck and head. As you become aware of any areas of tension, imagine that with each exhale, your breath exits through that area, easing tension. As you exhale, you're releasing tension and any areas of discomfort. Breathe in, healing light. Breathe out, tension. Take a moment to imagine that your entire body is filled with warm, healing light. Bask in that healing light. Bring your attention back to your breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Once again, a nice deep breath, filling the lungs and easing the breath out with a big sighing exhale. When you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. When you're ready, if you're lying down, slowly roll over onto your right side and rest for a couple of breaths here. Place your left hand by your right shoulder and push yourself up to sitting, nice and slowly. From your seated position, take your time in getting to your feet. Remember that you can return to this feeling of calm and centeredness anytime you need, to simply by focusing on your breath and bringing your attention to the present moment.